Alright, so I figured I'd make a video on this because I've seen this more than once now. It's a 2014 Ram. And the traction control light and the four-wheel drive light are on, and this thing's in limp mode right now. You see up there where this connector is, under the driver door here, behind this shield. You take that off right here. You can see right where that was rubbing on that, and it cut through the harness here. I've seen this twice now. One on a 2019, and then this is a 2014. So you might get lucky, and that's your problem, because this code just, it's a hard code. It just sets right away as soon as you clear it. All right, here's a better look. Problem with this is that once it gets that hole in that tape, it just gets all the shit in there. I'm gonna clean that off, but you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4 broken wires. So I should have enough wire. I can hopefully find enough good wire here. It's not too far going. I can just crimp it and patch it up, tape it back up, and then put some wire loom around that, get it up away from that connector. Okay, so I fixed the broken wires under the door here, and the traction control light went off. So I guess that has something to do with it. I don't have a wiring diagram. The four-wheel drive service light is still on, and it's blowing this fuse right here, which is, where is this at? DTCM, ELSD, PTU, RDM. There's a whole lot of stuff going on here. Drivetrain control module, I think is what that is. So it'll blow this fuse, and the four-wheel drive light will come back on. So what I did was, on this truck, I originally thought it had a motor on the back of the transfer case to shift it. It's manual. So that only leaves one other thing, other than, you know, more broken wires shorting out, is the motor for the front axles. To engage them. So I unplugged this here, and it stopped blowing the fuse. And as soon as I plugged it back in, it blew it again. So I guess we have multiple problems going on here. But hopefully that'll help somebody out. And thank you for watching.